iPhone 12 in purple hands-on. Should you buy it or wait for iPhone 13? CNET. Live. French astronaut to lift off on ISS mission in SpaceX rocket, Euronews. Redmi K40 Gaming Edition to get retractable mechanical shoulder buttons, the Indian Express. From diapers and mattresses to a can of Coke. Why price tags are climbing, cbc.ca. Burn down Dairy Queen owners want to rebuild, but city pushes back, CTV Toronto. Canada's newest astronauts and NASA graduates could be the first Canadians on the Moon, Narcity. Here's how much Cyberpunk 2077's refunds cost CD Projekt, Games Radar. When, where and how you can see the super pink moon rise this week, 2021's best supermoon so far, Forbes. India suspends vaccine exports as cases skyrocket, stalling Canadian deliveries, National Post. Tesla's autopilot tricked to operate without driver, BBC News.